Timberline shaking off fine dust, teeth in the dark chewing slow and low. Every spark got a place to go. Ledger ink bleeding through calloused hands, river runs black through broken lane. Boot heels marking a crooked flow, every step says more. I hear that old wood frame groan in time, the pulse ain't mercy. Yes, mine. Sawdust rising in a bit of light, still fly crying through the night. Floorboards quake where I stand, six strings burn in my hand. No halo glow, no warning bell, just heat and breathe in a living hell. When the rafters start to bend, I don't break, I bend them. Smokestack coffin, a violet stain, rope pulled tight like a withered vein. Barrel roll rolling down cracked stone, echo says I'm not alone. Knuckles split on a whiskey crate, scars don't fade, they resonate. It's the dog wants bone and skin, it can try its luck again. Slide more, long and thin, bend that note till it digs within. Let it scrape, let it scream like a rusted wire in a fever dream. Sawdust falling slow as air, steel sides cutting through the crash. Floorboards shake, but I don't move, locked inside the groove. No saints left to defend, no debts left to pretend. When the timber starts to fall, I outlast it all. No signs left. No signs left.